have anything. Huh, can't really tell. Turn down. Alright. So, people are... Hey. What the?
We are here to talk to you about the dangers of bridge jumping because our good friend named Allie Pennick just broke her leg. Yeah.
Bam!
She bammed on the rocks and her leg is now broken.
You can see the bone and everything.
She's in the emergency room tonight and we're going to see her tomorrow.
So we'd just like to inform all of you.
Bridge jumping is never a good idea.
Thumbs
Thumbs
down.
down is the idea every time. I mean, she was the third person to go. And the first two, were fine, but that doesn't mean that it couldn't have happened to them. So, just don't do it.
Don't.
Say no to bridge jumping and drums.
Wait. Yeah. Well, anyways.
I'm so hot in this top. Hey, this is my
We
favorite
think,
color.
hold on, listen. Yeah. Okay. We are trying to be world known.
We're trying to make everyone
Through the internet.
like Jeffree Star
Or Chris Crocker.
and Ashley SoFly.
Ashley SoFly.
You know, all those kids.
Wait, what's her name? Something Campbell.
Oh, Kiki Cannibal.
Kiki Cannibal.
That bitch is with blood. Oh.
Yeah. Don't talk about her.
Yeah. I'm a fan of Ashley SoFly, and Kiki Cannibal's a hater, so that's what it is.
Thumbs down. Again.
Just say no to her too. So that's 3 on our list now. Drugs, bridge jumping, and Kiki Cannibal.
What was drugs?
Because Katie was high, and if she wasn't high, then she would have been like, Allie, no.
She wasn't still high.
Yeah, she
Must
was.
have worn off by then.
She probably got rehab.
Okay. Drugs.
Duh.
Pussy.
I'm not gonna find.
Alright, that's my specific. You have a crimson eye. Anyway. Just changing the song. Good boy. Come on. That's number 3.
Not the right song.
Anyway. So, drugs?
Bad. Bridge jumping.
Bad. Kiki Cannibal.
Bad.
So bad.
Yeah, that's like the worst.
Yeah. Alright. And Sarah.
The best.
Stop. Dude.
Yeah.
What? What about these?
Are you a girl?
Cold. Being so gorgeous.
Have you ever noticed the libraries rip you off? Like, hold on, look at this book.
Oh, yes, this is what happened. Hold on. We need to get close up of this.
Alright,
Okay, so I got this book, right? Look. See that rip right there? I had never ever read this book, and I sent it to the library. I opened the first page, and they sent it back and told me I had to sign on it, right? That's ridiculous. Let me put you back.
And the library charged me $8 for a book I did not even have. Like, excuse me, no.
See, this is...
Not really.
But,
I don't know.
we like to sit in our rooms and sing and make videos. I hope you enjoy these, because we sure do.
We enjoy making them.
We do. Earlier we made a video.
That was awesome. You guys have to check that one out.
You're going to have to check that one out, too. What are we naming that?
We're naming that...
I'm Blue.
Yep.
We're naming that I'm Blue. Check it out on YouTube.
Nice job, rules, motherfucker.
Yeah, I already have on YouTube. That's our rules, motherfucker?
No, not motherfucker. This is
Oh.
I think.
I'm gonna hope for you. I'm gonna pray for you.
Look at my foot.
Look, I'm trying to do this up for real.
You right there?
Yeah. Fucking big.
No, that's fucking like stabbing. Anyways.
We like to make raps sometimes.
Oh, dude, I was making raps earlier today.
Maybe we'll give you guys a rap.
Maybe.
not right now.
I'm not feeling the Ralph. I'm feeling the product.
No, feeling the problem.
So next time we're in the Ralph mood, like if Kanye West would have played, I would have been Ralphing for y'all, but...
Oh, don't worry about it. By the way, go to Warped Tour.
Warped Tour, for sure. I'm going 8 days.
I'm not,
What's up?
but
8 days, man. It's happening.
actually it'll probably be 7 days by the time we put this on.
Yeah, good point.
Possibly like 6 or something, I don't know.
Oh, fuck, it's Wonder Woman, shit! Oh! Make a wish! Make a wish, dude!
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
Make wish, wishing at 11/11 is also good.
Amen. Anyway.
Are you for real? Wow! That was so wrong. For real?
You had all the time that you like it.
I like boys. Okay. I'm not a boy! Okay. Everybody in this town thinks I'm a boy, and now she's gonna go, like, I'm gonna go on like a 10-minute rant because she just said that.
Alright, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Girl, she has a vagina.
I do have a vagina, and I'm not a boy. And I don't look like a boy.
She's single. Let's keep it out her.
Anyways, I don't look like a boy, I don't act like a boy, and I'm not a dude with long hair, and I'm not that dude that hangs out with that black chick all the time. Okay, Kyle and Tyler? Okay, you get that? Thank you. Jerk.
Sometimes she does this thing that's really unnecessary, but...
What was that rare right there? Because you said that was a dude.
Anyway, yeah.
Do you want to see my foot?
No.
I was just saying that.
I was like,
Oh, dude, look at that Cheetos right there.
Cheetos.
Look at
Saw
them.
and got that sign.
Fuck it, we met Craig Bowman.
Yeah.
And
hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Cheetos. Look at this
Well, you
shirt.
can't even, like, see them.
hold on.
Oh, I got this. Oh, I'll show you Craig Owens. This one, wait, where is it? It's right here. This one's Craig Owens. Wait, you can't even see it. Yep, that one's Craig Owens right there. I don't know, that's the other guys in the band, but they don't really matter.
No.
Yeah, Bradley, but where is he? Hold on. Wait. Oh, it's right there. That one, that is the Screamer of Cheetos, and he's just the best, you know.